Want to collaborate more effectively with your team using Fireflies AI? Whether you're managing projects, client meetings, or internal discussions, Fireflies can automatically capture conversations and keep everyone on the same page. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Fireflies AI for teams from start to finish. So yeah, let's get started. First, sign into your Fireflies AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure you've selected the correct workspace. If you're part of multiple teams, switch to the workspace where you want to collaborate. Next, open your workspace settings and look for the Members or Team section. Click Invite Members, then enter your teammates' email addresses. Once they accept the invitation, they'll become part of your Fireflies workspace and can access shared meetings based on their permissions. Now open one of your recorded meetings. From here, click the Share button to give teammates access to the transcript, AI summary, meeting recording, and action items. You know, everyone with permission can review the conversation without attending the meeting. To make collaboration even easier, connect Fireflies with the tools your team already uses, like Microsoft Teams, Slack, Google Drive, Notion, or other supported integrations. Once connected, meeting notes and summaries can automatically flow into your existing workflows. It saves everyone from copying information manually. Finally, review your workspace permissions to control who can view, edit, or share meetings. You can organize meetings into channels or folders, depending on your workspace setup, making it easier for everyone to find the information they need. And that's how you use Fireflies AI for teams in 2026. Hopefully, this guide helped you set up a smoother workflow for collaboration. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.